Okay. Let's say the district has finally opened up our Canvas pages for next year and we are ready to import our Sandbox class into our Canvas course. Go into your new shell of a class, whichever class you're wanting the information to be in. So I don't have it yet, so I'm just doing an example. So I'm still in my Sandbox. But like if you are teaching yoga, then you're going to go into the class that says yoga and you're going to go down to settings and you will from here um, go over to the side where it says import course content. You're going to click what type of content, click there. You're going to copy a Canvas course. And then you're going to start typing in the course you want. I typed in Sandbox because I want it to be imported from one of my sandboxes. So I'm just going to choose this one. You'll click, it's up to you. If you have a lot of stuff in your sandbox because it's kind of just been the dumping ground, you can do select specific content or all content. I'm going to do all content and then click import, and it's as easy as that, and then it's done. Remember, start from the sandbox you want the stuff to be in.